Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to fix archive story missing or not working on Instagram, and I will show you just in 2 solutions how to fix this. Alright, the first solution is go right in the bottom to your profile, click on the 3 lines right in the top and click on archive. Then from here I have the setting that we want, so that is exactly this, but maybe sometimes you have standing 3 dots just right there. And what we need to do now is click on the 3 dots right in the top, go to settings and then turn off the save story to archive. Then wait for 10 seconds and after 10 seconds turn this one on, throw the app away and then go to Instagram again. Then right in the bottom, 3 lines in the top, archive, and right now it needs to be back, just like this. Then the other thing, if it's still not working, that you can do, is throw Instagram away, then go to settings, general, iPhone storage, and then right here search for the app Instagram. So click on Instagram, click on offload the app, then click on reinstall. Alright, we are back on Instagram, and right now if you tap right in the bottom on our profile and click on the 3 lines right in the top and go to archive, hopefully you can see it just like now what I have with the story archive. And is it fixed now? So thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and now have a good... So thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and hopefully I could help you out.